Hello, this is Justin Matthew, founder CEO at SkyPoint Cloud. Can't believe it's already November. It's already fall. Wanted to kind of give an overview of SkyPoint's data analytics and AI platform for senior living. It's an updated version of a previous video I did. So I'm going to do this pretty quickly, so hopefully I can get this done in 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to share my screen here, go very quickly. So first of all, thank you for taking time and watching this quick video on senior living data analytics and AI. So SkyPoint as an organization, our goal is to help senior living operators or organizations to use data analytics and AI to serve the residents and improve their bottom line as a business. As a company, we are SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, CCPA, GDPR, HIPAA, PCI. We have one of the best platforms in the market as a solution. So jumping right into the details. Founded the company in 2019. We have about 100 plus employees or so, about 120 customers. Process about 5 billion rows of data every single day. As a fully compliant platform. So this is kind of an overview of our platform. It's all centralized in something called a data lakehouse. So going to the pain points that the operators are facing these days. Number one, I think is probably reducing operating cost. The second is increasing revenue, both equally important. The third is improving the resident experience. Next is improving the staff experience. Staffing is a big issue. I definitely need to have a lot of focus on increasing the enterprise value of the company, and then compliance. So all of these things considered, what does data can do for solving some of these problems? So ask this question to several operators. The number one answer is fragmented data silos. So operators can get a full picture of what is really going on. Second is ability to analyze the data, to understand what data means, how to interpret them. And the last one is ability to act on data, which means there are some people on the locally, also at the corporate office, don't have the authority to act on it. So SkyPoint is a solution that can solve the first two problems fairly well. So getting rid of the data silos, and also ability to analyze the data very quickly using analytics and AI. So another problem, there is a lot of vendors, there is a lot of solutions. You got to put it all together. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of money. It takes too much time. So people get started with some of these things, kind of, lose ground along the way and quit. So may work for a very, very large organization, but unfortunately, senior living is a collection of likely minded operators, REITs, and others. So there isn't a Google Maps operator style for senior living. So that is not going to happen either. So the second option is leveraging suboptimal solutions. So like, for example, how about I stick everything into Yardi, assuming that Yardi is a data warehouse. Yardi is not a data warehouse. It's a transactional application. So it does a bunch of different things, probably not the best at everything. So that's another problem. You want to use a bunch of mediocre capabilities, or use a specialty tool like Sherpa or Enquire or Welcome Home versus Yardi CRM, right? So a standalone care, Yardi Care, or something more specialized. So HubSpot is a really amazing tool, or you want to use a suboptimal marketing tool, right? So the questions to the operators is like, okay, do you want the freedom to choose the tool that you want to take on, or you want to go for a suboptimal solution? Most of the times the answer is, I want best of breed. I want selection. I want choice, right? If that's the case, you have to have an analytics solution that is really outside of these things that really help you scale. So that is what SkyPoint is. We allow you to aggregate and integrate data from various different sources, external, internal, all that, load it into our lakehouse, fully transform, cleanse it, provide you all the reporting that your organization need to drive the better marketing and sales, reduce the operating cost, better staffing, better operational controls, improve the experience of your residents, and also be compliant. So we do reputation analytics, for example. We show you integrate data from all the Google reviews and Yelp, all of this to seniorliving.com or sisterliving.com or seniorly caring.com, all of that, and provide your reputation, just as an example. So a variety of ways to activate this data to drive better business decision. using analytics and AI. So one of the capabilities, showing some screenshot of our application. We do what is called as a resident 360 profile, unifying all the data, and we can do AI matching of residents and recommendations on programming, the things they'd love to do. So essentially having that information in one place, you can really help resident to drive engagement. Otherwise, you have a scattered set of engagement tools. So essentially kind of figuring out a way that our solution can really allow you to get to scale with less staff. So as we automate all of these processes, allows you to focus your time and your staff's time on the residents. Second is the BI features around census reporting. This is pretty standard stuff people look at. A lot of times it's inaccurate, not current, whatever. So we have that automated. Labor actual dashboard, real time from a variety of temporary staff agencies or your internal tools like Velocity, Paychex, UKG, and others, and PCC data. A lot of these data comes straight into a platform, integrated dashboards for that. Reputation analytics. We collect over 100 million unique content inputs, whether it could be reviews, social listening, images, video, audio, all of them, to have a categorization. We create an actual NPS score for the operator, and also to drive the value out of it, so you can take the right actions, and you can compare yourself with your competing communities. All of those, all part of the platform again. Predictive analytics and AI, staffing forecasting, what kind of staffing you need, what financial forecasting, what type of residents or staff might leave you. All of these things, and machine learning models and AI baked into the platform again. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it. If you'd like to see a demo of our platform, please email us sales@skypointcloud.com. Thank you so much. Have a good day.